This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mazda CX-9 engine air filter. First, gather your tools. Often, you might only need a new filter, but sometimes a screwdriver helps. Make sure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin. Locate the air filter housing, typically a black box, under the hood of your vehicle. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to removing the old filter. You'll typically find 2 to 4 clips holding the air filter housing cover in place. Unclip these. Some models might have screws instead, requiring a screwdriver. Gently lift the cover and carefully pull out the old, dirty air filter. Take a moment to inspect the housing for any leaves, dust, or other debris and clean it out if necessary. With the housing clean, it's time to install your new air filter. Carefully place the new filter into the housing, ensuring it sits flush and securely. Double-check that the rubber gasket around the filter's edge is properly seated to prevent any air from bypassing the filter. Once the new filter is in place, lower the housing cover and re-engage all clips or tighten any screws until it is securely closed. Replacing your engine air filter offers several great benefits. A clean filter significantly improves your engine's performance and can even boost your fuel efficiency, saving you money at the pump. It also helps extend the life of your engine by preventing dirt and debris from entering vital components. Plus, a fresh filter reduces harmful emissions, making your car more environmentally friendly. For more great deals, and to grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.